Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where coding is easy and the max problem become too easy. So today we are solving a lit code problem that's a power of 3. So what's the question? There is a given integer and return true if the power of 3, otherwise return false. So there we given integer and you can see the index. And we have to find the power of 3. Is it to return true, otherwise it's not return, otherwise we return a false. And integer n is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x so that n equals to 3 of x. So that's it. Our problem, if we see the example, then we try to code. There is an input of n equals to 27. So the output is true. Why? Because the 27 becomes a 3 into 3 into 3. 3 cube equals to 27. That's it. So that reason, that's a true. And there you can see that n equals to 0. But there is a no x where the 3 raised to x is not equals to 0. It's not possible. So that's why that's written false. So you can say example 3. Understanding the power of, is it the power of 3 when the all numbers are positive, not negative. So that's why there is a written false. Inside what we logic we used in this code. So first we use power of 3 must be positive. So that's why power of 3 is we use the if condition. N less than equals to 0, we return false. And then we use a while loop. For this n remainder 3 equals to 0. So inside while loop we use a n equals to n divided by 3 obviously. And when they run it repeatedly, whenever n equals not equals to 1. That's it. That's our code. For try to run it. So there we use the if condition for n less than equals to 0. So return false. Okay, and then we use while loop for n remainder 3 equals to 0. Inside while loop we use n equals to n divided by 3 and return n equals to 1. That's it. So try to run. You can see there is a case on is 27 is true because 27 is negative. No, that's not negative. So that's why we inside the while loop. So now 27 remainder 3 equals to 0. Yes. So inside we use in this case 27 divided by 3. Instead it's repeatedly divided by 3 whenever n is not equals to 1. So that's why return a true. And all cases are worked like that. Case 3. And then you can see there is inside the case 3, that's n equals to minus 1. So that's n equals to minus 1. So minus 1 less than equals to 0. Yes. So there the return false and the question is code is break it. So in this question our time complexity is O log n and space complexity is O1. And if this video helps you, like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.